Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to download the Boo app on your mobile phone. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Google Play Store or your Apple Store. That's dependent on the device that you use. I currently use an Android phone, so I'm going to have to launch my Play Store. So from the Play Store, in this homepage, head over to the search bar, which is at the top corner of the screen, and type Boo dating app. Punch the search bar and that's going to take you here. Now, if you are eligible to use Boo, that means if your country accepts Boo or Boo accepts your country, then you definitely find Boo among all of these options. But the location I'm in does not tally or does not align with Boo, and Boo cannot be displayed in the location that I'm in. But if you're using any eligible location, let's say you're using the VPN and you switch to United States of America and you come over to your Google Play Store and you type in Boo dating app, it's going to be displayed right here, just like all of these apps are. So just go ahead and click on the install button that you're going to find. And once you click on the install button, you're going to have to wait a couple seconds or minutes. That's dependent on the internet connection that you have. So after waiting, it's going to be installed and it's going to be downloaded. And after downloading the application, you can now click on open. Once you click on the open button, it's going to take you right into the application itself. Now, this is for the Android users. Now, if you're using an iPhone, go ahead and launch your Apple Store. And once you launch the Apple Store, the same process from the home page. Head over to the search bar. In the search bar at the top corner, go ahead and type in Boo dating app and just follow through with the on-screen instructions to download. So tap on the app, tap install, download, and tap open, and that's going to open up the app for you to explore a lot of features. Now, I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.